As we look at this example and trying to solve by using elimination, this one, unlike the previous example, we were able just to add both equations together and one of the variables canceled out. We quite can't do that here, right? If I just said, oh, I'm going to use elimination, I'm going to add those together and get 5x and add those together and get minus 4y. See how nothing cancels? So we didn't really eliminate anything. So that's why we need to do a little bit of manipulating before we actually start to do that right there, okay? So let's see this here. Really, we just got to pick, do we want to eliminate the x's or the y's? It really doesn't matter, it's up to us. So if I wanted to eliminate the x's, what I would do is I would need to multiply the top equation by some number and the bottom equation by some number that would give one a positive value and a negative value where they would cancel. So it kind of looks like I want these to be 6 and positive 6. So I'm going to multiply this top right here by 3 and this bottom right here by negative 2. And as you can see, if I did that, then the top would be 6x and the bottom would be negative 6x. And that's going to yield my elimination of the x values right there, okay? So let's go ahead and multiply that out. So 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 3y is a 9y. And 19 times 3 is going to give us, was that 50, or let's see here, 57. Great, now look at the bottom here. Negative 2 times 3x is a negative 6x. Negative 2 times a negative 7y is a positive 14y. And a negative 2 times negative 6 is a 12. Good. So now if I go ahead and combine those together, those will eliminate right there, right? Then I can add these guys together and get great. So now we can go ahead and divide by 23 on both sides, and that should just give us a nice 3. We're not done there though, right? Because again, we're looking for our x and y value, so that's a value of 3. So if you want to find our x value, we're going to need to plug it in either to the top or bottom equation. It doesn't matter, so maybe I'll choose the top one. Or the bottom one, doesn't matter. So let's just see, so 2x plus 3y equals 19. Now I'm going to plug in 3 for y. The 2x plus 3 times 3 equals 19. 2x plus 9 equals 19. Minus 9. So 2x equals 10, which means x equals 5. So that would be our x value right here. So the solution is 5, 3.